So, hi Rachna, how are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I am fine, Rachna. So, first of all,
Yeah.
Rachna, we'll start with your introduction part. Tell me something about yourself.
Hello, sir. My full name is Rachna Pandey. I'm from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I did my graduation in arts and my master's in digital journalism. And in my days, I did this course in sales associate from PMKVY policy. And yeah, as my family background is concerned, I have two members in my family, my mother and my brother. And my hobbies are traveling and communicating with people. That's about me.
Okay. So, Rachna, why do
Yeah.
you want to join sales? Because you are from journalism background. So, why do you want to join the same sales field?
So actually, when I pursued this course journalism, I thought it is more. I thought of it is more than it is more of like interacting with people as we see that anchoring and reporting. But when I entered in the field and when I started my course, I felt that it is not what I thought of. It is like typing the keyboard and writing the content all over
Right.
day.
It's
So
not
I
a
don't want any
IT
kind of
job.
like
So,
this kind
it's
of
not a 9 to 6 job basically, in which you log in at 9 a.m. and log out at 6 a.m. So, basically, your
right.
job role will be from 9 to 9 basically, where you have to go to customer's house and you have to sell things to customer's house. It's basically a hectic job kind of thing, where you have to visit, you have to do field sales. So, are you comfortable with this?
So I would love to do this job because I'm like very much interested into like going out and having conversation with people, learning new thing every day. And I'm not the person who can just sit and type and logging like yeah. I love to go out and having conversation and like I can enhance my communication skill. I have the chance to grow myself. So that will be not going to hectic for me.
And Rashna, basically, it's a target based job. As you know,
Okay.
basically, we are having targets every week, every month, we are having a target. So,
Right.
like, you have to achieve targets every month, every week. So, what is your plan? How will you do that?
Yes, sir. I know that it is target based job, and I have to achieve the target, and I I'll do that because as I mentioned earlier that I have the interest of doing this job. So when you have the interest in any particular field, you're gonna enjoy the thing.
Rashna, I'll tell you
Target.
one thing that
Yes, sir.
basically you have to work 5 days a week, okay, and two are your offs, Monday and Tuesday.
Okay.
But suppose if target is not achieved in any week, so in that particular week, we can ask you to work for 7 days a week also. So,
Okay.
are you available to work 7 days in that particular situation?
Sir, first, sir, I will try to like achieve my target in in given time. But anyhow, if I'll not manage to complete the target in five given 5 days, then I would mind to do like extra 2 days job, 2 days work.
Rachna, we are having a bond of 2 years as well because we are
Okay.
having this kind of bond with our employees, okay, so that we can stick with our company because we can have a long term plan with you, okay.
Right.
So, are you comfortable in signing a bond?
Yeah, I would love to sign a bond with the like India's fastest growing company.
Okay, so you have multiple options in the market apart from sales also. So, why do you want to switch in sales only? Because there are multiple platforms where you can interact with people, right? So, why
So,
sales?
sir, I believe that in sales there is a more option of growth. Like
Okay.
people say that engineering and doctoring is the more like top careers in the India, but I believe sales is a top career in the India because if you have that ability to convince anybody, then you can go very far from the sales.
So have you even applied for any other company? Because in market we have multiple sales company. We have White Hat Junior. We have Vedantu. We have multiple applications. So have you even applied for any other company?
Sir, I thought of, but then I noticed that Byju's is the growing company. So
Okay.
why not to start with a growing thing, like which
Okay.
is the all which is also like already the in the top. So yeah.
Okay. So Byju's is basically all about convincing people. You know that, right?
Yeah.
We have to convince people. Okay.
Yeah.
So do you think you have that particular skill of convincing people easily?
Yeah, I have.
Okay. So we can have some discussion on this particular skill so that I get to know that what skills do you have for convincing. Correct?
Okay.
So I'll start
Okay.
with a basic question first of all. Tell me one thing. Suppose if I am a bald person, I don't have any hair in my head, and you are the salesperson. You have to sell me a comb.
Right.
So how will you go for it?
Sir, I think I can easily sold my comb to a bald person, because
Suppose
it's
I
not
am the
that.
customer
Okay.
and you are the salesperson.
Okay.
Now convince me.
So okay. So sir, here is the comb. You can. I'm not saying that you can use it, because you cannot, and you know it. But you. This is the exclusive comb, and you like you should gift it to any to your loved one. That loved one can your wife, can your daughter, can your sister, and you can gift them to comb their hair.
Okay. But I want to buy for myself. I'm not thinking to buy about my sister and my mother. I am considered about
Okay.
myself. I am here to buy things for myself.
Okay.
So what about me? Why you are convincing me to buy a comb? Because I am already bald. So what will I do with the comb?
So you want to buy it, and this is the exclusive comb in the market. So you will not get a better option than
Okay.
this. So you should
Okay.
definitely go with this, because I am saying it, and I am this is my job to selling people, to selling things to people, and I am saying that this is the exclusive, and you will love when you use it.
Okay. Cool. Rachna, tell me one thing. Suppose if I'm a newspaper lover, okay,
Okay.
and I am coming to your shop to buy a newspaper of today's newspaper, correct?
Right.
So, like, but you have to convince me to buy a newspaper which is 10 years old, right?
Okay.
I am here to buy a new newspaper, but your
Okay.
job is to convince me to buy a old newspaper which is 10 years old.
Okay.
So, how will you approach? What is your approach in this?
Sir, as you said that you are the newspaper person. You love to read newspaper. So in
Right.
this newspaper, this is the like this is 10 years old newspaper. But
Okay.
what you get in this newspaper, that there is this article which will gonna like amaze you in after 20 years, after 20 years, when you show this paper where to your children's, they'll gonna amaze that before 10 years this thing happened. So
But I'll
yeah.
read new article. I'll read new article. Why will I read 10 years old article? I want
Because
to read new
this is.
article.
Yes, sir. You can buy the new one and the old one too, but you should definitely buy this old one, because there is this article that you love to show your children and anyone, because there is this thing which you will not found in this new one.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I have the money to buy only one newspaper. I cannot afford both the newspapers. I can only buy one. So which should
Then
I
you
go
should
for?
definitely go with the like old one,
Old
because
one. Why?
you can buy this new one to. Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, because you can buy this old one, uh, sorry, to new one to any other day, but this old one is just for today. I'm not sure if it gonna like, I have this one copy,
Okay.
so you will not get the option to buy tomorrow or any other day.
Okay. This is basically exclusive as per you.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So Rachna, like we'll have some questions with the product, right? Byju's product. So do you know,
Okay.
like you know well that we have the product of Byju's. It is an application basically, and we have a tablet kind of thing in which we sell the application to customers, right? So suppose I have a child of 5 years, and you are coming to my house to sell the application of Byju's, right?
Okay.
So now, as a parent, I am asking you a question that as you are telling me to buy the application, right? So my son is having an eyesight issue. He cannot
Okay.
see the mobile phone or any app like any tablet or thing kind of thing for long
Okay.
hours, right? So if you are telling me to buy Byju's, then definitely he would have to be studying from Byju's application only, by phone
Right.
only. So
Right.
his eyesight will be damaged, na, day by day. So why should I purchase the application?
Sir, because there is like Byju's designed all the class in like there is a class of 1 hour and half an hour. So your child not gonna affect to his eyesight because it's eye friendly. And second thing, there is an option you can put the audio mode where the visualize like there is this audio mode you can on that and like you can just visualize thing as a child and that audio will come from the tablet and you can study from that.
But he's having a weak eyesight, na. So day by day, if he's studying every day from the mobile phone or from the tablet, then definitely he'll damage his eyesight day by day. So that is more impactful, na.
But sir, if he'll gonna study from the book then that will gonna affect badly to his eyes because in books there is this small words, so that will that gonna affect their eyesight more bad.
Okay. So I have one more issue, Rachna. My child is a PUBG lover, basically. He loves to play PUBG. Do you know PUBG?
Yeah.
So he loves to play PUBG. Whenever he gets the phone, he starts playing PUBG every time. So if you are giving the tablet to my son, then definitely he'll play PUBG on the tablet. He won't study even for a minute. Because see, I am kind of person, I have a business. So I go to my shop, I do business every day. Right?
Okay.
Am I audible to you?
Yes sir. Yes.
Okay. So I am a kind of person who goes to business. So I have my business, I have to give time in my business.
Right.
So I won't be able to see what he is doing. And if I give him the tablet kind of thing, he'll definitely play PUBG all day. So what is the use of purchasing Byju's? Am I
Sir,
giving him to play PUBG?
no sir, no, definitely not. Sir, I think there is like in India PUBG got banned, I guess.
But
And
we have VPN kind of thing from which also like child are playing PUBG because my child is very fond. He is very smart in all these things. He uses the VPN and he's playing PUBG every day.
sir, firstly, I would say that this is good that your child is technical like tech friendly. And the second thing is this that you should definitely give this tablet to your child because if like for 2 hours he will play PUBG, but after getting like low score he'll gonna definitely bore. So then he will start this app and start studying because in Byju's there is this design that is student friendly.
Rachna, I'll tell you one thing. I know my child very well. He'll never going to study if I keep him alone with the application, with the tablet. He'll never study. Not for a minute in a day. I know my child very well. So whatever you say to me right now, whatever you explain to him, he will definitely not listen to that and he'll definitely start playing PUBG. So why should I take this application? It is actually a loss for me.
So it is not like a loss for you. See, you cannot always have an eye to him, right?
Right.
So so the thing is you have to keep him you have to uh, give this tablet to him because eventually he'll gonna learn something.
Okay.
Maybe yeah, he starts something a technical issue, so that will gonna help in the technical terms. Byju's application can teach the technical terms to him, like coding and the things if he enjoy the technical things.
Okay. Do you have coding in
Yes sir.
Byju's?
Sorry.
Do you have coding in Byju's? Do
No,
Byju's help
we
learning
do.
codes?
No, hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir, it was not audible. So no, we don't have the coding system, but the technical things.
Okay. No, right now you mentioned the coding part also. You told that he'll learn codes from Byju's. So that's why I was curious to know that do Byju's provide coding part also?
No, not core coding. Is like technical things, like how much
Technical.
how machine can work, how machine is working. So this is the technical things he's gonna learn if he's
Okay.
interested in technical things.
Okay. Okay. So I have a scenario for you, Rachna, in that case. Suppose you are coming to my house for selling Byju's, right?
Okay.
Suddenly, the neighbor of mine comes to my house and he tells me that don't take Byju's because my child is already using Byju's and he failed using Byju's.
Okay. Okay.
So in that case, I have made my mind not to take Byju's because his child failed using Byju's. Definitely, my child will
Right.
fail also if he use
Okay.
Byju's. So in that case, what is your call? How will you convince me?
So firstly, I think you should ask your neighbor that in which class like his children is,
He's
and
in
then
class 7.
you, okay. So you should ask that. See, every child has a different potential.
Okay.
If if the like your neighbor's child got failed, that definitely means that he not studied well.
Okay. Okay.
And that doesn't mean that if your neighbor's child got failed, your child is also gonna fail.
But see, one thing is there that my child always needs someone to push him to study. If we leave him
Okay.
alone, that you study by your own, he'll definitely not open the book in a day.
Okay.
So the thing is, he always want a push. So how will the online application will give him that push to study every day?
Sir, firstly, I think you should consider that why your child need this push, because
Okay.
he's not taking interest in his course, in his subject, or maybe
Okay.
the teacher in the school is not properly like focusing him. He
Okay.
maybe he was not able to like raise his doubt to the like teacher. That is why he's lacking somewhere.
Okay.
He need push that, because he's not having any interest. Byju's will gonna like set this interest in your child, because
Okay.
yeah because the designs and the study material, the concept of visualizing, because as you know that you cannot remember things by studying. You can only remember things by visualizing things. That like we when we see movies, that movie will gonna more effect rather than the book we have read. So
Okay.
visualizing things got more powerful, more impactful in the children's mind.
So let's suppose my child is already a scholar. He is scoring
Okay.
98%.
Okay.
So in that case, why should I prefer Byju's? He's already a scholar. He's studying
Right.
good. So what extra Byju's will give to him?
So firstly, sir, congratulations that your child is scoring very well. Like 98% is not enough. But sir, in which class your child is in?
He's in class 6th.
Okay, sir. So he is scoring 98. That is mean that he has his potential, and you should
Okay.
yeah, you should invest in him from from this period only, because in the future, well, he's gonna face this competition,
Hmm.
national level competition. Right now, he is in just a school. In a school, we have this 25 to 30 students. That is why he is scoring well. But when he'll gonna face the competition, there will be national level competition. So
So
if
he'll
you
do
are
well.
not,
He's doing well, na? So he'll do well in competition also because he's already a scholar. So he knows how to study. So what extra Byju's will give him?
so he knows how to score good in the like class level, in school
Okay.
level. He
Okay.
don't know that what what problem, what situation he's gonna face in the countryside or of national level competition.
Okay.
Right now he doesn't know that what is the pressure of giving exam in the 5,000 in between of 5,000 childrens. because
Okay.
at that time every children like will gonna scholar.
Okay. Okay. Tell me one thing, Rachna. If suppose like I'm giving you a condition. Okay. Suppose if he is already studying from a IIT person. My child is studying from an IIT person. The teacher of him is an IIT graduate. Okay.
Okay.
So in that case, why should I take Byju's? Because
Sir,
already he's under good guidance, right?
yeah, he is completely into a good guidance. But sir, as the IIT graduate, someone who has this IIT graduate who's like teaching your child, so that person is also somewhere know that the concept of school we have in this, like we have in the country, is not the visualizing and practical base. There is this only theoretical like subject and the concept, but you will need and you'll gonna like grasp things when you start practicing the things, because practice is the
Okay.
key.
Okay.
Practical, when you don't have the practical knowledge, you cannot go anywhere, you cannot go.
Okay.
Yeah, so and it's good that IIT graduate teaching him, but he's also have the job as he's the
Okay.
IIT graduate. So how long he'll gonna keep eye on your child?
Okay. Cool. So I have one more condition for you in that case. Tell me one thing. Suppose if my child was weak in studies, he was scoring 70%, but we took Vedantu previous year,
Okay.
and Vedantu helped my child to grow. Now my child is scoring 92% per year.
Okay.
Okay. So Vedantu helped my child to grow from 70 to 92%. Right.
Right.
So now what extra Byju's will give me? Why should I switch to Byju's?
So no doubt, Vedantu is very good application, but not good as Byju's, because like same rates, but Byju's like provides extra features.
What extra
There is
features are
this
there?
live lecture. There is this, yeah, right. There is this live lectures. There is this IIT JEE mains advanced preparation is also there, and you're gonna like there is this new feature that that if you like to attend particular teachers classes, so you can direct approach him. So there is this teacher friendly and student friendly Byju's app. Vedantu is very good, but Vedantu cannot give your children extra features.
But Vedantu is having all this already. Whatever things you told me right now, Vedantu is already having
Yeah.
all this.
Sir, I don't sir, no sir, Vedantu is not having everything I mentioned. Vedantu is a app which is like educational app, but Byju's is more good because why because shit.
Yes, go ahead. You're going right. Go ahead.
Yeah, like because Vedantu has this Byju's. Sir, why would you prefer like extra fame, like less famous or less recognized application, when you have the like option to give the same amount and like can choose the topmost app? Byju's is
Okay.
a Byju's is a growing app, and you can definitely choose that.
I got your point. So now my last question is to you is, so why should we hire you? Because we have multiple options to hire people. So what extra do you have in yourself that will prove yourself to be a good asset for Byju's, regardless of other competitors?
Sir, no doubt, sir. So everyone is different in their own perspective. But
Okay.
what I think about myself is that I have good like communication skill, and I can convince people. I'll not gonna I will not gonna give up, and I will try hard. I will try my best like to generate the good revenue and to generate the good business in for the company.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So Rachna, we're done with the interview actually. So like we'll review the interview first, okay? And we'll give you the
Okay.
result in 2-3 days, in coming 2-3 days. will give you the result of this interview that you are selected or not. Okay. In case if you have any doubt as of now, you can definitely ask me. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
So guys, I hope आपने ये इंटरव्यू देखा होगा और आपके जो क्वेश्चंस वगैरह होंगे वो क्लियर हुए होंगे डेफिनेटली इस इंटरव्यू से. अभी भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस अगर आपके बाकी हैं जो हमने कवर अप नहीं किए हैं तो कमेंट सेक्शन नीचे दिया हुआ है, उस पर आप क्वेश्चंस पूछिए हमसे, हम डेफिनेटली उसके आंसर्स देंगे, आपको रिप्लाई करने की पूरी कोशिश करेंगे. और नेक्स्ट वीक हम कोशिश करेंगे कि और बेहतरीन वीडियो लेके आए आपके लिए, ताकि हम और जो पॉइंट्स छूट गए हमसे, जो हमने मिस आउट कर दिए हैं आज, डेफिनेटली हम कवर अप करेंगे. तब तक के लिए आप वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और शेयर भी कीजिए इस वीडियो को, ताकि जो भी एस्पिरेंट है जो बायजूस के में अपनी जॉब के लिए इंटरव्यू क्रैक करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उनको एक हेल्प मिले और डेफिनेटली वो भी इस वीडियो को देख के, क्वेश्चंस को देख के ग्रो कर सके. तब तक स्टे ट्यून, हम डेफिनेटली एक नई वीडियो लेके आएंगे आपके लिए नेक्स्ट वीक. टिल देन, बाय बाय. थैंक यू सो मच.